Hello guys, welcome to Spyrotech 365. Today I'm going to show you how to give a text shake effect easily by the presets. Here I have downloaded the presets, Ultimate Earthquake presets. I'll give you the link of this, how to download this Ultimate Earthquake in the description. After download, you have to import from here. Right click, import presets. Then you have to import. So we have created a text here, text layer, and if we apply the shake presets from here, so there will be a text shake effect will be created. Here you can see a gentle text shake effect has been applied on the text layer. If we undo this and apply the heavy shake effect, this cannot be understood. If we apply pulsation shake, let's see, stop it, let's go. We can see from the effects control panel, they have the shake effect has already been created. We just apply the presets. We apply rotation, shake. Now it is much good, but the scale we can change the presets parameter here too. Now this is nice for our text layer. And if we apply zoom text, so shake need to be turned off. If we apply zoom, it is also good. I think rotation shake will be better. So they happen if we apply both of these shapes. So that's it for today. If you love our video, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you.